Hey guys, this is our second video, leg workout.
Hopefully it's going to be a good one, and we hope you enjoy it. Alright, this is seated leg curls with 70% of our strength, and this is how we do it. 210. First, we're going to do full weight. We're going to do 2 sets of this one and pump out at least 4 or 6. Here we go.
Alright guys, this is our last set right here. I dropped the weight to 150, so do one. Second part of our workout, we're doing legs today all day, so let's do angled leg press.
There we go. Here's the weights. 345s on each side, 70%. Yeah, when you do this, you never gotta lock your legs all the way fully extended.
Alright guys, that's our first angled leg press. Our heaviest set right now, we're going to do 2 sets of this.
Was that heavy or what?
Remember to stay seated for a little bit, you might get dizzy. I just did that so I got dizzy.
Last set, we dropped it down to 245s on each side. And it's easier to do it this way. And I'm going to do 10 with my feet looking out, 10 with my feet looking up straight, and then 10 with my feet looking inward. Gonna be kind of difficult. My brother went to work, and I still got a couple of sets to do on different machines. He came in earlier, so. But we're doing some leg extensions and starting at, it looks like 195, 70%, and here we go. set done. Last set, full weight, everything, even the two little ones. It's big as all the way down there. There we go, all the way down there. Plus these two right here can drop an extra 10 pounds. Alright, it's 4 or 6 of that, and I'll be back. That was everything at full weight. Okay. The brothers here. But alright. That was good, that was good. I'm gonna drop the weight and then do some more. That was 150. I don't know if you guys saw that, but that was 150. 16 reps, slowly. Hey, fast up, down slowly. Get more work on your legs. So for the last workout, I'm gonna do the step one. That way to get the exercise done. I came in a little bit late, so I'm doing it at the end. Usually we try to do it at the beginning. Actually, at the beginning and the end. That way you get your blood flowing at the beginning and get a little bit of workout at the end. Time. Do it 20 and enjoy your workout. Man, I'm sweating like hell. Only 40 seconds left. There we go. I got a 20. Makes you sweat. Alright. So, that's the end. Oh, let's go backwards. And we'll see you on the next one, probably. Later.